boost this is for AYITI. It's a lovely ball forward. Piero, nice pass through and a chance of a second goal! What a moment for Lenny Joseph on his debut. He scores within 5 minutes of coming on at half-time, and AYITI doubled their lead. Lovely weight on the pass they've scored tonight, AYITI. The goal scorer, Joseph. Oh, Joseph has done well again. But no damage done. Lovely footwork in the end. Dangerous cross towards the back post. And the effort from Lenny Joseph. There goes Lenny Joseph again. Alive to the danger, but AYITI still have it. He's had the ball taken off his toe, and a chance here, 4 against 2. A little bit of the momentum has gone out of that attack as Joseph goes back to Etienne Jr.